to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. To my returning subscribers, hey fam, how's it going? I hope all is well with you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look today. Like, I really am in love with how I've been doing my face makeup and how like my base has just been coming out looking so smooth, so flawless. Like, it's just giving like everything it's supposed to give. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I did my complete makeup look today. So if you are interested, keep on watching.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Head up, feet on the ground, oh baby,
listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Don't be afraid. Be strong. You're not alone. Take a deep breath and realize. Trust in yourself. I promise you'll find hope. Oh, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well. You're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. It's right there. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the
I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really had fun creating this look, and it looks like my lash is lifting. I'm just gonna have to fix that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really enjoyed how this look came out. I've been loving how my face makeup has just been looking very smooth and flawless lately, and I've been trying and doing a lot of different things when it comes to my makeup, trying to just figure out what works well for me, what do I like, what don't I like. So my makeup routine is always changing, and so anytime you guys watch, something might be different in how I'm doing my makeup, but we're figuring it out. So as always, everything I use will be listed in the description box below. If you like this video, make sure to give this a thumbs up, share it with someone, and drop a comment down below so I know that you enjoyed this type of content. I will see you guys in my next one, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Bye guys!